How to plan family reunion games. Planning to throw a family reunion party and you are short of family reunion game ideas? Check out this list of top 5 game suggestions to have your party rolling. Method 1. Guess who am I? 1. Take a box and put it in the center of the table. 2. Hand out slip of paper and pen to each of the guests. Ask them to write something about themselves on the piece of paper. 3. And then have everyone guess who wrote the message. 4. The person who comes up with maximum guesses turns out to be the winner. Method 2. The old sack race. 1. For this game you will need large burlap sacks. 2. Ask the participants to stand inside the sack. 3. Have all the racers stand in a line and ask them to race up to the specific finish line. They will have to hop. 4. But remember, have guests separated according to their ages. Old Aunt Annie racing with young Tom would not be a good idea, and Tom will be the obvious winner. Method 3. Family Members Scavenger Hunt. 1. Give everyone a list of personal characteristics and have them find family members who match, for example, green eyes, no hair, same color eyes, born the same year. 2. Be sure to toss in a few easy ones like same number of arms, born after 1850, etc. Method 4. The Talent Show Family Reunion Game. 1. You can put up a talent show, featuring dancing and singing jokes for younger ones. 2. Have 2 elders become the judges and the participant will have to perform. One with the highest score turns out to be the winner. Method 5. Family Reunion Trivia Game. 1. Before the party write down few family trivia questions, e.g. How old is Aunt Polly, and get it printed out. 2. Then hand out those questions to each of the participant. One with the most correct answer is the winner. Tips. Have fun and plan a great family reunion.